Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and please do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the English language lessons we offer online. This morning in one of my online classes we were discussing social media and students were talking about the different sites and different apps they use, and one group got talking about TikTok because their own teenage kids are on TikTok half the time these days. One of my students admitted that she'd spent a little bit of time dabbling with TikTok, but eventually she'd decided that she wasn't the target demographic. It's not aimed at people like her, or me, I hasten to add. And the main conclusion that she'd come to was that the site was full of rubbish that basically rots the brain. If you say that something rots the brain or rots your brain, the idea is that it slowly destroys your brain. Over time, it turns your brain to mush. If you have a quick look on the internet at other things that supposedly rot your brain, you'll find out that lots of people believe TV rots your brain. Sugar apparently rots your brain, as does alcohol. Cocaine obviously rots your brain. Some people also believe that Google rots your brain, and political ideologies can help to rot your brain. If you have liked this video, please do click the like button below, share it with friends, let them know about what we're doing at Lexical Lab. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of the kinds of things that you think might rot your brain.